Hi there. So this is a blocking, what we call blocking. So you need to refine it. There's a bunch of stuff that needs to be done. It's a good start, but see right here, they look like they are in the air at the same time, both of them. That's not gonna work. Okay, that needs to be anchored faster. Oh, let me get that back right here. Okay, so that's very important. Number one, and the arms are too. See, they don't bend. You need to bend your arms, okay? Your system is not done properly. That should be attached to the shoulder, so it goes with the shoulder and stays there. Um, it is actually. Yeah, your arm are not moving. That's the thing. You don't have it's not bending. All right. That's a major problem. Yeah, they don't want to bend. Let me see. Let me delete that just in case. Uh, and redo another IK just to see what's going on. So without those, it's not going to work very well. That's for sure. Your animation is not going to look good at all. So you need to do that big time right away. Let me see. And that might be just your initial angle. Yeah, your initial angle is not there. So you need to do something like that. Give it an angle, and then you put the IK into it. Yeah, you need to give it that pose. So because you put it in that pose, so you need to change. Alright, give it an angle, and you would have to select the complete character. Go to rigging, skinning, and hold on a second. Skeleton. Set prefer angle. So now it doesn't matter, it should stay there. See? And now it'll bend properly. You need to do that ASAP before we go anywhere further than that. Alright? If not, it's not gonna work at all. You're gonna have some major problem in animation. So that's number one. And it just doesn't feel right. It's a weird pose you start with. First of all, you should have started more down, both of them down like that. All right, that would be a lot easier to deal with. And paste that. And then after that, you just have to pick up your feet. So right here, when you're crossing here, that one will go even higher. Right here, for example. And then it's gonna go drop nice right here. Alright? See what I'm saying? This is what you need to do more. Okay? So start by doing that, and then and then after that we'll go more. You need to do a lot more with the shoulders. The head doesn't go left to right, it goes up and down also. So work on that. Thanks.